Hi cutie, Grace here. Today we are going to draw Among Us getting married. So let's get started. I'm going to draw two characters here today. First, draw for the bride, a curve to the left for the bride body. Here the eyes. Just draw an overshed hair. So now we have the eye. Now I'm going to start by drawing the wedding dress. So two curved lines here. Connected together. And bottom of the line too. So here we'll be doing the white dress. So just following with me, and you can get a really pretty dress. So now for the leg here, we draw two round curves. And now we draw the bride back. And now for the groom, just draw Among Us body. A curve down. With an eye. And now we are going to draw for the shoe. So two lines down. And connect the line. Here a straight line down. Here with two lines again. So the groom will be wearing two shirts, one inside and one outside. Okay, I'm adding some button here and pocket. So it looks really formal. At the bottom, I'm adding with the leg. With his pen. At the back too, just draw like this. So at the middle here, I'm going to draw for the bouquet. Some roses here. I hope you are following with me. Here is the most harder part for you to draw the roses, but it will look perfect afterwards. Okay, now for the rose, we add some more here. And again a rose here. And add some detail to it. So now I will add 2 ribbons here. Slowly. And at the end, one more love here. So now we have a bride and a groom. I really hope I made it fun and easy for you to following with me and inspire you to draw it too. Thank you so much for watching. If you love it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new videos. See you later.